Looking for a heavy-duty upright rack solution that doesn't compromise on speed or accuracy? Today, we're walking through the full Beli roll-forming production line for heavy-duty upright racks. It starts here. Our integrated uncoiler and leveler, equipped with a hydraulic coil car, ensures smooth, continuous material feeding. Precision is key. The servo feeder works in perfect sync with the punch press to create the exact hole patterns required for heavy-duty racking. The loop pit acts as a buffer, balancing the speed between punching and roll forming to prevent any material tension. Now, the heart of the roll forming line. The material enters through a precision machined feeder and guider system. This ensures the strip is perfectly centered before it hits the first station. Our mill features a heavy-duty cast iron stand design. Each roller station is CSE machined from high-wear 𝗥12 move steel, vacuum heat treated to ℕRC 58-62 for maximum longevity even when processing high-strength galvanized steel. Power is delivered via an individual gearbox transmission system. Unlike chain-driven alternatives, our gimbals and gearboxes provide constant torque and eliminate vibration, resulting in a smoother finish and much tighter tolerances on complex upright profiles. To ensure every upright is perfectly plumb, the integrated 10-roller Turk's head straightener allows for 3D adjustment, neutralizing any internal stresses or spring back from the forming process. Finally, the hydraulic cutting device utilizes a high-speed tracking system. It matches the line speed perfectly to deliver a burr-free, clean cut with a length tolerance of 1 mm, all without ever slowing down your production. Beli roll forming delivers the durability your business needs. For full specs and pricing, click the link in the description or visit our website.